What's up, everyone? Today's topic is all about Zoom. Zoom Communications, a company that is everybody's new favorite social network. Everybody's using Zoom for teleconferencing, sales calls, drinking nights with their friends indoors. And all that activity has been really good for the company's performance. It's up 22% today, while the Dow is down. Zoom is actually up almost 300% since December. It's definitely up there with all of our other favorite stocks during COVID times, including Amazon, Netflix, any kind of food delivery companies, Domino's Pizza, all of that good stuff. Well, you can add Zoom to that list for sure. It is now worth more than Uber and Lyft combined and has hit number one in the App Store several days this week. Zoom all got started back in 2010 when teleconferencing used to be $100,000 worth of servers and an IT department. Now in 2010, we started moving over to the cloud using software as a service. And a former Cisco engineer and some other brilliant engineers started Zoom to get that teleconferencing in the cloud as well. The freemium business model that they used would really set it apart. So freemium means it's free to use for a while with some kind of restrictions, and then you can pay in order to have the unrestricted premium version. In 2014, it was about $9.99 a month to get Zoom, where a competitor like GoToWebinar might cost you $50. And at the time, as it's always been, the consensus was that Skype for Business kind of sucks. At the end of the day, Zoom is just easier to use than BlueJeans or Google Hangouts. So the question on everyone's mind is, okay, Zoom's doing great. Should I buy in now? Should I sell? What's the verdict? Well, personally, my theory for why Zoom has really soared today, especially today, basically all this money is trying to get out of the stocks that keep going down, right, during this downturn. And they got to have somewhere to put their money. So where better than Zoom, which has actually been doing pretty well. However, now it's pretty overbought. It's sitting at $160. Most analysts are pricing it at around 105. And it's basically at like 37 times the profit to earning ratio, a 37x profit to earning ratio, which is very high. Like that's not something you want even out of a tech stock usually. Other technicals, the earnings did beat in March. It was good. We had 15 cents instead of 7 cents. But again, we're talking about Zoom, a company that doesn't have that much earnings. They have pretty low margins. I'm sure they're expanding a lot in terms of their advertising. And again, this COVID thing will eventually blow over. So for right now, it might be too high of a price, but a good stock to keep an eye on for any kind of correction, it might be a good time to get in. Otherwise, keep an eye on all those other stocks that are going to be doing well during this time. All right, let's hear your opinions. Is Zoom a good buy? Maybe it's going to ride all the way to some kind of new top. Or what are the best stocks to buy during COVID? Or is there another play? What's the plan for stocks? Let us know in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. If you want, you can subscribe and you'll receive updates for all of the new tech news in Silicon Valley.